Fix Litmatch, your device has been banned. So in order to resolve this problem, so first you're going to actually have to understand the ban reason. So bans can result from violating community guidelines such as inappropriate behavior or context. So review your recent activities to identify potential causes, and there might be a possibility where Litmatch will give you a notification that you will be banned and then for the reason. And if you do have access to the email that you used to make the account of Litmatch, they might also give an email to you stating the reason of your ban. But in order to actually try to fix your ban, maybe there's a misunderstanding, you can go ahead and reach out to Litmatch customer service to inquire about the ban and request reinstatement. So you can find this anywhere. If you do have another account or access to Litmatch, you can also do this in their browser, where you can search for Litmatch and then go to their customer support. So if you go to the browser and search for Litmatch customer service, just go ahead and press the first link and you should be led to Litmatch. Over here, go to the top right corner, the triple bar drop down button, and press on the about button, and you should be able to find the contact us button. There you should be able to state the reason of ask them for an unban request. Maybe there's a misunderstanding and you actually didn't violate anything. So you can go ahead and provide necessary details like your username and any relevant information, and there you will have a chance to actually get your account or for a request reinstatement. Or you can go ahead and try clearing the app data and cache, maybe directly from the app or in the settings. But anyways, hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.